Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Dodge Ram key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, usually taking just a few minutes. Let's get started. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the casing. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the fob should separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. You'll now see the internal components and the battery. With the fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, notice how the old CR2032 battery is positioned. Usually, the positive side faces up. Gently remove the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click. This confirms the fob is securely reassembled. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly with your new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.